Part 4. Downloading assignments. Assignment template design, our class software. The application offers 4 different ways to download. The first method is SUI, which stands for user selection, allowing users to choose. The second method is by using the keyboard. Of course, this keyboard has now been phased out. It's no longer available for purchase. The third is the cloud software, which means connecting an external computer, selecting the cloud software, and connecting to the machine. Another way to download assignments is by scanning a QR code. The first method is USB. Download the assignment to a USB drive, then insert the USB into our main unit and follow the sequence of buttons below to proceed. This will download the assignments from the USB drive into our main unit. The second method is via network. Use the computer connection method to download the assignments. So that is, first on the computer. Use the KC software to edit the information and then directly transfer it via network cable. Download it directly into our machine. There's also SUI, who is another important character in this story. For the steps to select the assignment template, we need to follow this step here and pause first. On the machine, select, then press the SUI button again to choose LIBOR. Now for LIBOR, we need to download it into the machine. LIBOR, LIBOR 1, LIBOR, LIBOR, LIBOR 1, LIBOR 2. After we confirm, then click OK and print, and then this is ready to print. Just follow these steps. There's another way, which is through the keyboard. Of course, this keyboard is no longer available. It's already been phased out. If we had it, we could directly select Start from the menu using the keyboard. Select Production, choose the job, then confirm, and that's it. You can print. There's another thing, which is this one of ours. This button of ours. This interface introduction. The first one is the print button. Here, 1 represents the print button, 2 represents starting the print, and 3 represents the user interface, which is the SUI mode. 4 is our status screen, and 5 is our 3-color light. Number 6, here we have 3 lights, LED lights. When the green light is on, it means the system is normal. Yellow, orange, and green together indicate the system is normal, but there is a warning. If only the orange light is on, it means printing is paused. If the blue light is on, it means there is a system error or the cover is open. If all 3 lights are on at the same time, it means the system is in test mode.